Tlayahoin, Suwak, Hinichtlisohko. I greet you, I welcome you to our territory. Jimik Yukwa, Kwayan Suwak, Oip, Ayapish. You'll be happy out there when you get a lot of fish. We welcome you here, too.
We're here at Walter's Cove Resort on the northwest side of Vancouver Island in the traditional territory of the Kyuquot First Nations, which is our ownership group. They're very welcoming and they like to bring people in from outside and showcase what we have to offer in this area. My background has always been in fishing lodges, and I've never seen anything as consistent as what we have here.
We're gonna find fish. I mean, I know we are. I know we are, buddy. Ooh, look at that. A heck of a good start. Well done, men.
Boys, boys, boys.
Awesome, man. We got 4 hogs. Real nice big Chinook. Started out with a bang, finished with a bang, and here we are. We got fish.
You know, with it being owned by Kyuquot people, we want to share a little bit of that culture. And we cook a salmon in the traditional style on cedar sticks over an open fire. Talk a little bit about history and culture and drum and sing a song with a couple of nation members that join us for that barbecue. And that's really turned out to be a highlight of people's trip. We wanted to put the focus on the whole experience here. The goal of the nation is to expand the tourism and provide employment opportunity for local members.
I've been here for better part of 17 years, I think. I like this too much to stop.
First started guiding like 26 years ago. The ocean's been our livelihood, still is today. Hang on. Set. Yeah, you got it. Set there. Elbow header. It's so diverse in all the species of fish that we get in one area. Get your salmon, run into the reef, drop down to the bottom, and get your lingcod, and hope for a halibut.
Let me know when your arms get tired, and we'll all feel bad for you. Got him!
Being able to provide opportunity has allowed people to move back home. And through various businesses that they have, forestry and aquaculture and tourism are all playing a role for them to develop their economic self-independence and being able to provide those opportunities that didn't exist in the past. The people of Kyuquot and Chaklasat are very proud of what they have here, and rightly so. And they want to share that with the rest of the world.